Taste your way through 5 Bib Gourmand spots from the Michelin Guide Thailand 2025. From Bangkok bustling streets to Chon Buri seaside eats. Let's dig in. Bangkok is buzzing about No Name Noodle. And if you're lucky enough to snag one of the 35 bowls served daily, you get to enjoy their signature shio soba and shoyusuke soba, packed with over 30 ingredients. Their seasonal noodle and rice bowls are made with 3 types of shoyu, delivering a rich, deep umami. Seeking Southern Thai flair in Bangkok? Auntie Pao of Chan Hom has been serving flavorful Southern Thai dishes for 20 years. Her homemade curry paste shines in dishes like Kang Tai Pla fish curry and stir-fry stinky beans with shrimp. When in Chon Buri, surely it's unmissable to try our fresh seafood, and Cruwa Lao Tai Arom serves you exactly that. The name meaning up to the chef kitchen excels in bold flavor Thai seafood and homemade curries. Feast on super fresh clams, crab, shrimp, and fish with rare deli catches at unbeatable price. Beef lovers don't miss La Voix for premium beef in a rich amber broth simmer for hours. Start with a mixed beef soup featuring meatballs, tender cuts, and beef organs for that extra oomph. Satisfy your sweet tooth at Chon Buri's legendary Khao Toon Klao, serving bamboo cooked sticky rice with coconut milk for over 60 years. Choose from the white or black rice topped with taro, black beans, or ginkgo nuts, perfect for a quick bite. So which one is your topic? Let us know in the comments below.